Today in the Joy of Cooking, I'll be showing you all two types of sizzler recipes. Hi friends, I'm Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar. Today I'll be showing you all Manchurian sizzler and pasta sizzler. Let's start. The delicious tempting Chinese sizzler recipe. So for the veg Manchurian sizzler, we require finely chopped cabbage, carrot and capsicum. I have peeled the carrots and then finely chopped them. Then we require boiled noodles, Hakka noodles, sliced capsicum, French fries, sliced onions, peeled and sliced carrots, chopped onions, maida, salt, peeled, sliced and boiled carrots, boiled green peas, sliced onions, French beans, these are also boiled, and boiled cabbage. I have sliced it, oil, water. Then we require barbecue sauce, Szechuan sauce, green chili sauce, soy sauce, red chili sauce, finely chopped onions, blanched spinach, crushed garlic, black pepper powder and some more crushed garlic. So first, in a mixing bowl, I will take the carrot, capsicum and cabbage. To it I will add the black pepper powder and salt. This is for the Manchurian balls. Then add some maida to it for the binding. Mix well and then start making the Manchurian balls. Then I'm going to take oil in a kadai, let it heat nicely and then add the Manchurian balls to it one by one and carefully, and deep fry them on high flame till they become nice golden brown in color. In another kadai I will take some oil. To it I will add the crushed garlic. On high flame, saute it for about a minute and then add the finely chopped onions to it. Mix well and let the onions cook. So I'll add some salt as per taste and then add the red chili sauce, green chili sauce and soy sauce. Combine everything well and cook for about a minute. Then add some water to adjust the consistency. Let it simmer for about 2 minutes and then add the Manchurian balls to it. Coat them nicely, cook for 2 minutes and they are ready. Now in another pan I will take oil. Once it's heated, I will add finely chopped garlic to it. Mix well and then add the sliced onions, peeled and sliced carrots and capsicum. Mix well and then add salt. Mix well again and then add the soy sauce. Then add the red chili sauce and green chili sauce. Mix well. After a minute, add Szechuan sauce to it. Combine everything well and then add the cooked noodles to it. Cook well on high flame for about 2 minutes and they are ready. Now in another frying pan, I will take oil, then add sliced onions to it. Cook well for 2 minutes on high flame, then add the boiled French beans, carrots and green peas and cabbage. Then add some salt as per taste. Mix well on high flame and add barbecue sauce to it. Then again mix well, stir for about a minute and it's ready. Now in another pan, take oil. To it I will add the crushed garlic. Saute for about a minute and then add the finely chopped onions. Mix well. Add some salt. Make sure the flame is high. Once the onions are cooked thoroughly, add water to it. About 2 cups of water. And then add the barbecue sauce. About 2 tablespoons. Mix well and simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes till it thickens. Then we are going to heat a sizzler plate for about 45 minutes on high flame. And then start assembling. First, put the stir-fried vegetables. Then put the blanched spinach. Then put the French fries. And then goes the Hakka noodles onto it. And then I am going to put the Manchurian balls, veg dry Manchurian, and then put the barbecue sauce onto it. So this is how our veg Manchurian sizzler is ready. Delicious tempting pasta sizzler recipe. For that we require boiled pasta, red sauce, French fries, white paste, salt, boiled sweet corn and green peas, sliced onions, boiled carrots, boiled cabbage, mixed herbs and olive oil. So to boil the pasta or to cook the pasta, we require pasta. I am using fusilli pasta. You may use penne or even spaghetti will do it. Then we require water, salt and oil. So first heat a pan and add water to it. Let the water come to a boil. Then add salt to it. Add oil and then add the pasta. Let it cook al dente and then drain the water and add oil to it. Coat it properly and this is how our boiled pasta is ready. Now for the red sauce, we require tomato sauce, arrabbiata sauce, butter, salt, garlic, water and oil. In the mixed herbs, I am using onion powder, pasta mix, oregano and Mexican seasoning. This is optional. Heat a pan, add oil to it, then add butter. Let the butter melt and add crushed garlic. Mix everything well. Let it cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then add the mixed herbs and mix well on low flame. Then add the tomato sauce, readily available in the market, and arrabbiata sauce. This is also available in the market. And then mix it well. Cook it nicely on high flame for about 2 minutes and then add very little salt. Mix it well, add some water to adjust the consistency and mix well and let it come to a boil. Once it's boiled, switch off the flame. For the white paste, we require milk. This is cold milk, not boiled. Corn flour, crushed garlic, garlic mayonnaise, salt, black pepper. These are crushed cashew nuts and water. So first heat a pan, add oil to it. Then add the crushed garlic. Saute for about a minute. Then add the coarsely crushed cashew nuts. Mix it well, cook for 2 minutes and add milk. This is cold milk. Mix everything well. Let it come to a boil. Then add the garlic mayonnaise. You may use normal eggless mayonnaise. Mix it well and then add some water and let it come to a boil. Then add some corn flour to thicken up. We want a paste. Then mix it well. And after 2 minutes, we will add black pepper powder to it and some salt as per taste. Mix it well and switch off the flame. The white paste is ready. Now in another kadhai or pan, I will heat some oil. I am using olive oil over here. Then add the white paste that we have prepared right now. Mix it well and add the red sauce. Combine everything well and then add some water to adjust the consistency. Mix well and add salt. It's on the high flame right now. And then add the boiled fusilli pasta and let it combine well. In another pan, I will take the white sauce or the white paste and red sauce. Mix it well and add water to it. Cook well for about 2 minutes and switch off the flame. It's ready. In another pan, I will take olive oil. To it, I will add the sliced onions. Cook for about 2 minutes on high flame. Then add the boiled carrots, boiled sweet corn and green peas, and boiled cabbage. Mix everything well and then add the white paste and the mixed herbs. Add some salt if required and mix everything well. Cook for 2 minutes and switch off the flame. It's ready. So now we are going to heat a sizzler plate for about 20 to 30 minutes and then remove it and then assemble the sizzler plate. So first we'll go the French fries. Check the recipe in the description box. I have shared the link. And then add the sauteed fried vegetables in the white sauce. Now I will generously add the cooked pasta. Wow, Okay, perfect. Make sure everything is hot while assembling. And then I'm going to add the sauce to it that we have prepared, the pink sauce. And yeah, this is how our pasta sizzler is ready. So this is how our Manchurian sizzler and pasta sizzler are ready. Please do like my video, subscribe to my channel, The Joy of Cooking. Hit the bell icon for the notifications of the new videos that I share. Follow me on Pinterest, Instagram and Facebook. I am Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar signing off. Take care, stay tuned and I will see you next time. Bye bye.